Hello, my name is Baltrotsky. I'm here with M-Suite powered by DeWalt. We connect BIM, fab, and field teams. So we have a Revit-based plugin that allows MEP contractors to spool more efficiently, place hangers, and create sheets. Then we've built actually something on the Autodesk platform that allows contractors in the field or shop to spool and create assemblies via the Autodesk platform within our M-Suite fab product. So with that, you can actually push the spools directly to your fab shop. We track everything that's happening. We even control the machines on this floor, such as Tiger Stop or HGG. And then we can track shipments to field and what's been installed. The beauty, all of that's back in your Autodesk model, all in the Autodesk platform. So if you're using Autodesk Construction Cloud or you're just using Revit, all that rich data is living through the product from design through installation.